Artificial intelligence is changing the way we protect our environment. Today, we are going to dive deep into the fascinating ways AI is being used in environment conservation, helping us fight climate change, protect endangered species, and ensure a sustainable future. One of the most effective ways AI is helping the planet is by monitoring ecosystems. AI powered drones, satellite imagery can survey vast area of forest and ocean that are otherwise difficult to monitor. For instance, in the Amazon rainforest, AI analyzes satellite data to detect illegal deforestation in real time. This means faster action and better protection for our planet's green lungs. Not just forest, AI systems are also mapping the help of coral reefs and monitoring ocean pollution from space. Also, AI is being used to track endangered species. Traditionally, conservationists would spend hours reviewing footage from camera traps. But now, AI can analyze this data much faster, identifying individual animals and detecting patterns in their movements. For example, AI systems in Africa are helping to monitor elephants and rhinos, alerting park rangers about potential poaching activities even before they happen. It is also a game changer when AI comes to addressing climate change. Machine learning algorithms analyze massive amount of climate data, helping scientists predict extreme weather events like hurricanes, floods, drought with greater accuracy. This predictive power allows government and organizations to prepare in advance, saving lives and reducing environmental damage. AI systems have even been used to model the impact of rising temperature, enabling better planning for the future agriculture and water management. Agriculture is another area where AI is making huge difference. With the help of AI, we now have precision farming techniques that optimize water use, minimize the need of the harmful pesticides, and improve crop yields, all while reducing the environmental footprint. For example, AI-powered irrigation system can measure soil moisture in real time and only deliver the exact amount of water needed, saving water and ensuring healthier crops. This is critical in regions affected by water scarcity. Even in our cities, AI is helping tackle waste management and pollution. AI-driven system can sort recyclable from waste more effectively than humans, ensuring that more materials are recycled and fewer end up in the landfills. It is also powering smart traffic management system that reduce emission by optimizing traffic flow, minimizing congestion. What's truly remarkable is how AI is minimizing the gap between human activity and nature. With the help of AI, we are able to make informed decisions to ensure the conservation of our planet, from predicting natural disaster to safeguarding wildlife and reducing the carbon footprints. AI is playing a vital role in our sustainable environment. So, how do you see AI helping us in the future? Leave your thoughts in comments below and don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video to spread the word about AI's role in saving environment, and remember, together we can make a difference.